Meaning of Dionysiac.
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 Dionysiac. The term Dionysiac is derived from the Greek god Dionysus, who was associated with wine, fertility, and revelry. It refers to a state of wild abandon, excess, and ecstasy similar to that experienced during a drunken celebration. A Dionysiac experience often involves an intense emotional release, loss of control, and a feeling of being transported beyond oneself. This term has been used in various contexts, including literature, art, and psychology, to describe the cathartic effects of surrendering to one's primal impulses and emotions.